You have been building toward this, the Azimut Fly 82. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Let me show you why this might be the one you have been waiting for. Picture Friday afternoon, anchored down somewhere quiet. The deck-to-deck terrace lowers to water level. Your guests move from the Flybridge to the swim platform without a second thought. Floor-to-ceiling glass fills the salon with light, and outside it is all open water and golden hour. This is what 81 feet of Italian design feels like when every square foot was built to be lived in, not just admired at the dock. Triple IPS pods get you there before the afternoon changes, 25 knots, smooth with fuel efficiency that makes the run back just as easy. 4 guest cabins, a full-beam owner's suite that does not compromise, and a Flybridge where dinners stretch into evenings because nobody wants to go below. In a class with the Sunseeker 90 Ocean and the Princess Y85, the Fly 82 stands apart. This is a boat you can actually run yourself, with joystick precision at 81 feet and carbon-built confidence in any sea state. You have earned the upgrade. This is what it looks like. The Fly 82, built for the life you are ready to live. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony. See you on the water.